Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Jinkos, look, there's a present under the tree.
Whoa!
Why don't you guys just pick
Did you
one?
open my present yet?
No.
No, not yet. No. Ready?
Maybe, why don't you both do the one that Morgan has, and you both do the one you have?
Okay, do the one Morgan's holding first.
Ready, set, go! See, double wrap? Dang, Dad.
Are you all breathing? Hello?
Thank you!
They're crying.
Oh, are they crying?
Look at it! Baby, look!
So they have to share with their mom and dad.
Did you guys hear Grandma?
Thank you so much! Thank you so much!
Oh my goodness.
You're videotaping this? Okay.
She's waiting for the flash. She's like, when are you going to take the picture?
That's better than any of the commercials on TV, you know.
That's very true.
If you had filmed that, you could have submitted it to them.
It was filmed.
Huh?
It is filmed. I'm still filming.
Oh, it is. Oh, good. You can make $10,000 now.
Okay.
Tell Sally she's on film, too.
And you're on film too, Grandma.
I am?
Well, your voice.
Oh. No?
There's one more to open, guys.
Okay, there's one more. Open the next one.
Ready, set, go! Oh, boss! We gotta play a game on here, babe. We got an awesome game. Can we put it in our
Christian's a little confused and he's plugging his ears. And now he's crying. Oh.
See this? I think he's so happy. He's crying too.
Okay, I'm going to pass the phone to you and you need to talk to Grandma and tell her thank you, okay? Here, I'm turning it off speaker.
No, Anna first. Thank you so much. I love you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Here's your